YouTube, what's going on? If you're new here, my name's Roger. I own a company called QVO Tactical where we make holsters and gear and also film content for this channel. Today we are here on the East Coast, all the way out in Ashburn, Virginia, checking out the XCAL, a shooting sports and fitness center with the Guns Out crew, Shermichael, John Keys. We are out here checking out their event. This facility, guys, is crazy. I'm gonna go in and show you guys around, but yeah, talk about everything you could want, from fitness to shooting to a gun store to a restaurant. It is all here, and we're gonna go check it out now.
Guns Out Range Day Custom Staccato C.
Man.
Love it, man. Grip, everything. Good.
What you think?
Feels good, man. That's sick.
Yeah, that's all right. That is all right. And you know what? If we weren't in here,
It doesn't move. Coast. So we are here at the Guns Out Range Day event. They just did the raffle, as you guys saw in the B-roll, but check out the facility. I mean, everything here from like the full-on gun store, the tactical range. They got individual bays over here, as you guys can see all the way back there. They even got like the cameras that are inside the actual range, so you can like hang out in the lounge area and watch your friends shoot. Upstairs they got a crazy gym, very similar to Lifetime Athletic, if you guys are familiar with that gym. In addition to that, a restaurant upstairs, and they got Ferraris outside everywhere, and a Top Golf in their backyard. So definitely an awesome place to come shoot, work out. I definitely understand why so much went into this place and why they would want to have the event here. So if you're in the area, definitely come check it out. If you're nearby, it's definitely worth a couple-hour drive to come check out. This place is awesome. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, give us a thumbs up down below, because that does help out the channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing, because we post new videos every week. If you want to further support our content, check out that Patreon link down below. Our Patreon members are a huge reason why we can make these videos for you guys all to watch. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. This guy is.
What's up?
All blurry. There you go. There's the focus.
Yeah, boy.
What are you doing, Vinny? What are we doing?
We're at Guns Out Range Day in Virginia, going to XCAL. Wait till you see this fucking place.
Every day, dude. Hey, hey! Look who it is.
What's up? What's
Perfectus
up?
Group himself.
And the little baby Perfectus.
Hey.
Look at the camera, man. I say, hey, give him peace sign. You better give him a peace sign. You're going to see yourself on the TV and be mad because you didn't do a peace sign. Peace!
So how's the event been, man?
Absolutely incredible. Unprecedented.
Daddy, can you open
First
the
of its
car?
kind, especially for us. So,
You know what's crazy? It doesn't feel like the first one. Like, it's
it
so
doesn't.
well done. Yeah.
Yo,
Open the car.
but this is Guns Out. You know, John Shermichael, it's a blessing to, here you go, buddy. Here, take the keys. It's yours now. It's just a blessing. Number one, it's a blessing to have individuals like John and Shermichael in our life, man. What they're doing is unprecedented. We're moving mountains. What I love is all of us can come together, all of us, and we're all doing it together. You know, to make people feel like they're welcome and invited, and this is inclusive, and we're at probably top 5 ranges in the country.
I don't know many other $30 million range facilities in the country.
Maybe top 2, top 1, I don't know.
Like, for you guys, if you're familiar with Lifetime Athletic, think of Lifetime Athletic on steroids with a gun range and then a Top Golf behind it.
That's right. That's right. Right. But then too, the owner of this place, incredible human being. Makes you feel at home. They roll out the red carpet. It doesn't matter how much money you got. And where we were at last night, that was a Founders Club. You know, very private area of the range. Like, it's an incredible place. It's incredible people, and we're doing incredible stuff. So, listen, if you weren't here, you literally missed it. You better bring your ass next time.
Right?
Seriously.
So definitely hoping this is an annual thing, for sure.
Yeah, man. I really do.
John, Shermichael, congrats, guys.
Yeah, man. Listen, we love you guys, man. Thank you so much for having us. We appreciate it, man. And keep doing what you're doing. We got you.
Hey-o.
Come on, who's trying to screw me here? He's a backdrop club. All right, go, 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 go. Hey, come on. Nicely done. Woo! Nicely done.
All right, Vinny, how was it?
Bro.
Being a vendor at the first Guns Out event, how'd it go?
Good, man. A lot of good people, a lot of good conversation, but I'm out.
You ready for some chicken and a beer?
I am. Some
All right.
Top Golf.
Oh yeah, let's go. Let's see your lock screen.
Huh?
Let's see your lock screen. Where is he at?
Listen, man, hold on. Listen, guys. I just gotta address this. This man has been at this event this whole time, 2 days, and he is just now getting me insurance on camera. How could you?
Oh, that's crazy. Come on, Roger. What are you doing, Roger?
You know, you could tell.
So you're telling me that I've been here for 2 days and you finally got time to address me now.
Nope. This is the first time. This is the first time I've seen this camera out in front of your face. So I don't want to hear that.
Well, on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I don't have much to say.
Yeah.
See you later.
Yeah. Because
was, goddamn,
Man.
Roger, 1 second faster than me. And he made up his misses too. I just kept it going. But shout out to my brother. I've been wanting to shoot with him for a long time, and he is a good shooter, man.
You gotta come back out to Vegas, man.
Oh, we're gonna get some.
Yeah.
You wanna do a build drill. I wanna do the famous Roger build drill. What are my splits like? What is that first what's that first shot like? I need to know. If it's good, then I'm worthy to be in this man's presence. If it sucks, then I gotta take my ass back home.
I appreciate the event, man. I'll see you next time.
All right, bro.